Okay, folks, welcome back to another video. And there in the box, you see my new Bris. That's the replacement for the one that I purchased that turned out to be a lemon. So we're gonna unbox it, blow it up, check it out in the house, and then we're gonna take it for a run, and you'll see how it performs. Yeah, I'm gonna inflate it in the house simply because it's Texas. It is hotter than hell outside right now. Probably over 100, and I don't want to be outside if I can help it. So I'm gonna blow it up in here. We're gonna test it out on Sunday. Today is Friday. So as usual, my dog is here wanting to help. So, okay, we have to be careful, obviously. It's an inflatable, so we don't want to be scraping the blade of a knife across it. There we go. And there. Okay. So what do we have? Let's see. We have a pump. We have a bag. Looks like it's a bag for the floor. Repair kit. What's in the repair kit? We have a tube of glue. We have a valve key and a few patches. The usual thing with a free repair kit. It is what it is. We have an instruction booklet and the MSO so I can get a title on it. So we'll just put those aside for now. We have 2 seats, and honestly, I'm not going to completely assemble it with the seats and the oars and everything else. I just want to blow it up. A set of oars there. I'm just going to blow it up because I want to be sure it holds air. So there it is in the box. We got everything else out of the box, and oh, maybe we didn't get everything else out of the box. What's in the, oh, it's like a set of oars. The other, what is that? Hold up. Oh, I see what it is. It's the brackets that hold the floor in place and rigid. I thought those were in the floor box. Guess not. So here we go. And Betty's tender is right there. So let's get this box out of the way and we can unroll it. Okay, let's find which side is the front. Okay, well, I need to spin it around. It's sticking to the floor. There we go. I tell you, this boat is heavy. I'm gonna need either a trailer or definitely put the launch wheels on it. It is a heavy boat. Ugh. Okay. Okay. So we have a very clear and clean hull identification number. And there she is. And in a moment, we'll blow her up. I'm going to use my electric pump because I don't want to expend any energy. I'm getting too damned old. Okay, let's get her connected up to the pump. As I've said before, excuse the mess. I am trying to get everything sorted and prepared to start my Mexico expedition. That is what this boat is for. The Mexico expedition on the Sea of Cortez. So I'm going to blow each tube to 1 psi and then try the floor. That usually feels a little hard at this point. I may need to drop that pressure down a little. But man, that pump, I tell you, that electric pump makes the job so much easier. Okay, so that is not completely inflated. I may need to drop some air out of it. So I'm going to try putting the floor in now and see where we go from there. Okay, first the bow. So, and there I am again with my soap. Keel, you can't see very well, but the keel is inflated. Boat is inflated to 1 psi. We have the floor in. Floor is in. And what we have to do now is mount the launch wheels on the back. If I decide to put, you have some nice hooks on back, plenty of D-rings around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 D-rings on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back. We have hand grip. We have a bow D-ring. We have a port D-ring. And we have a starboard D-ring. So that, the front one and the other port one, will work nicely for the anchor harness and tow harness. So there we go. We have the Bris 12.5 foot fishing boat assembled, at least partially assembled, and we will be testing her in a couple of days.